In the heart of the African savanna, elephants roam, giants of wisdom and wonder. But beyond their size and strength lies a hidden power, their ground whisperers. Using the sensitive soles of their feet, elephants feel vibrations in the earth, low-frequency messages no human can hear. These ground-born whispers tell tales of danger, love, and long-lost herds. Like nature's own social network, each step they take taps into a world of silent conversations. In the rhythm of the earth, elephants don't just walk the land, they listen to it. Welcome to the secret language of the wild.